Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was so excited. I just got the new Juvia's Place palette in stock and I was like, I gotta come on here, I gotta record a video just to kind of play with the shadows. I know the shadows are good, I love the shadows. I just wanted to play with the new palette and see how the new colors work. And if you want to see what look I come up with, then keep on watching. So excited. So the new palette that we're playing with today is Miss Wahala. I love this whole label. Like, I love the picture, I love how it's a pretty good drama. It suits the name, it is very dramatic. And here we go. Let me go ahead and take up the plastic on here. The pens are a little bit smaller than the usual palette, like the bigger ones, but there's quite a few colors. And I don't remember what the price was for this palette, but I can't wait to just jump in there and test out this palette. So as usual, let's go ahead and prime the lid and get started. Let's take a wild guess. What am I gonna use to prime my lid? Pillow base. You guessed right. Always use that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyeshadow guards today, kind of because of the look I'm trying to come up with. I don't know yet, but we'll see. I'm actually trying a new mirror today. Oh my god, I hate it. It's from Simple Human, but it's like the 5 times magnifying glass and there's no way to adjust that, and I hate it. So I'll be using my little mirror. I'm just gonna use this for the lighting, and then I'll be using my mirror. And I'm using the pillow base, but usually I use 3, but today I'm gonna go ahead and use 2. I don't always start with my brows already done. I'm terrible at doing my brows and they take me forever. So I just feel like it's a good idea to just go ahead and do that off camera. Save time, save you from seeing how horrible I am at them. So it's a win-win for all parties involved. Oh, and for this I'm just using the C525 from Crown. Man, it's raining like crazy today. I was so excited to order that palette. It sold out actually pretty quickly, and I ordered the palette not even realizing that it was like a limited edition palette. I hope everybody that really wanted one was able to get it. My pet peeve actually is companies that do stuff like that, like limited edition, or they discontinue a really good product or a really good color, or kind of Netflix, watching shows on Netflix. Oh, I hate it when they end the shows and I'm just like, this is so good. I'm just like, you're just on season 3, you can have a couple more seasons. I don't know, that's just me wanting something I can't have. That's kind of pink. Yes, let's start with Busybody, which is this color right here. I don't know what I'm thinking, but we'll see. Let's do this T4. And this is also from Makeup Shack. So this shadow is blending very well. I am going pretty light-handed. Well, I mean, it may not look like that, but I am going pretty I'm building it up, because easier to fix your shadow if you go light and then you kind of build it up. I'm gonna go back to my concealer brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of dab again to remove any kind of crease that I may have. And back to Busybody. That mirror though, you can see practically everything on your face, but I don't like it. It makes my eyes hurt. Nice. Not a lot of nice and all pink outs. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, which is BU. I guess it does show up to be dark, but I was hoping it would be a little bit darker than this. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that first brush. I'm not putting any more product on there, which was the T4, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend this. I'm using another pillow base, but I'm just gonna use 04 4 because I don't need it to be super light, because I'm gonna go in with my glitter. Oh, I'm actually gonna use this. I think this is number 14 from ABH. I don't necessarily like my crease like just really sharp cuts. I just, you know, I like the idea of it, but I don't want it like really sharp. And let's do the second eye. To like pack on shadows, I like the T48 from Makeup Shack. I love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, which is Clouds. Ooh, but this is not staying on my brush, so let's see if it will pack on here. Wow, this is pretty, but this is not staying on the brush at all. So I'm gonna try my finger. Nope. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I'm thinking, I know. Actually, I'm gonna use this. It's a glitter base, and this is from Lit Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna use a flathead brush, and I just pour like a little bit in the cover. I'm gonna actually move to this eye for a second. Let me see. And I'm just gonna pat this on here, and I'm gonna go back to this brush, and let's see if we can pack this much better. Let's go into this color right here. It's like a dark brown. It's called Sis. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put it in my outer corner, and let me see if I can just darken that up like just a little bit. That maybe was a bad idea, but we've already started the bad idea, so let's go ahead and just continue. And let's go back to this brush again with no product, and let's just blend the edges. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara, and I'm just using my McGrath mascara, and this is in just black. I'm gonna go back to BU, which was this color right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean out this mess that this glitter did. Okay, let's move to my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my moisturizer. Because I'm extra, I use 2 of these. I do go in with 1 pump of each. Don't forget your sunscreen. I use the Supergoop. I use both depending on what foundation I'm using, but today I'm gonna use the matte or the screen matte. Actually, I'm gonna do something just a little bit different, So I put my moisturizer and my sunscreen, and then I don't know why I did this. I'm gonna put a little bit of translucent powder on my face. I don't remember who I saw do that on Instagram, but they said it makes your makeup last forever, so I'm gonna try that. I'm using the Fit Me from Maybelline. I'm gonna use a brush. It's Kenzie. It's just like I got it in a makeup set from TJ Maxx. Thank God you can't see, like, you know, my shirt, because I have like powder all over. Oh my god. And then I'm just gonna use this setting spray from ABH. So let's go ahead and set. And she said after you set it, then you let it dry. So today I'm using my my liquid silk canvas from Tatcha, and I'm just gonna put a little bit, because this is expensive, so I'm just gonna, you know, put a little bit of it. This is my foundation. It's double wear from Estee Lauder, and my shade is in 4 and 2. It's like raining like crazy outside. Crazy rain. Oh, I'm just using actually my Luxie brush. I use this brush for every video. It's my 732 from Luxie. It's their foundation brush. I know this line is a little bit more expensive than their regular line, but I get it when it's on sale. So I only paid $10 for this brush. But I don't know. This is kind of good. Like doing my foundation like that, like it's like flawless. These are from Tilbury, and they're like kind of, you know, correctors. And this is Tandoori, which is 3. The rain is so heavy. I'm hoping that doesn't get picked up on this video, but we'll see. I'm actually, the brush I'm using, this is the E60 from Sigma. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead now that I add this, and let's put some concealer on here. I'm just gonna use my creamy Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS, and this is in medium dark biscuits. I feel like this might be a little bit too dark. Actually, no, this is fine. This is perfect. And to blend this out, I'm just gonna use my 733 from Luxie. Sephora just had the VIB sale, so I was like, okay, time to stock up on, you know, on this thing that I love. I'm using this powder setting brush. This is the 735 from Luxie. Most of my face brushes are from Luxie because I love it. But just make sure there's no creases. And to set my face, I'm using the JSC setting powder, and my shade is Topaz. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder in medium or number 2 with my 734 Luxie brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a coat of mascara on my lashes. And today, like earlier in the video, I said that I love Bad and Bougie and Dubai from Makeup Shack, but they had some new lashes. This one is called Eye Poppin', so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one today. And I'm just gonna use my Kiss Lash Glue in clear. I'm hoping I don't have issue with this lash sticking because of this glitter. Can you hear the thunder? Oh my god. I'm actually gonna use this brush right here. It's just, this brush is like 100 years old. It's just a smudge brush from Sephora. So I'm gonna use this color right here, which is Sis, like sister, sis. And I'm gonna put Power, which is this color over there, over it. I'm gonna use this T14 from Makeup Shack, and I'm gonna go into Power. Let's use Mainline from the 24/7 Glide from Urban Decay. Actually, let's use this brush from Too Faced. I think I got it in like a palette. This is a mascara from Pixie. And actually, I saw Jackie Aina test this out from this new company. It's called Vesca. Diani is gonna be my shade, and I'm gonna use just this brush from Bare Mineral. I don't know, I think I got this like during Christmas time, maybe, I don't remember. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna contour a little bit with this shade, which is the Maldives. It's kind of dark, so pray for me, we'll see. And I'm using just a 739 from Luxie. But it's so good. It's so good. Like, it just blends like butter. I'm gonna use this from Tati Beauty actually. And back to my powder, and I'm just gonna pass it in here like so, and then I'm actually gonna use this. This is from the Power line. Color Rain Power. I'm gonna use this. I'm using this brush from Japanesque. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm gonna use this brush from Makeup Shack, and I want to try this. This is from Natasha Denona. It's her Glow Gold, and it's a highlighter. I'm just gonna mix the two colors together. You know, you just go crazy with it. I'm joking, don't go crazy, but I always say I'm just gonna put a little highlighter, and 5 minutes later I'm still adding highlighter. I'm gonna spray my brush actually a little bit. I'm gonna use the same brush, that same setting spray. I'm using, it's a C213 from Crown, and I'm gonna wet it. And let's use this shade right here, which is called Envy, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that in my inner corner. I am done with this palette. Let's go ahead and put the lashes. And to set my face, I'm I have a hard time saying this word, Scandinavia. And here's the final look. I did kind of forget to say what lip color that I was using in the video. I'm just using this lip gloss from Smashbox, and this color is You Heal Me, you know, like You Feel Me, but You Heal Me. Pretty much the stars of the show is this palette. I love the shimmers and the mattes. However, the glitter, you do have to work with them a little bit. You have to wear a base or glitter glue or something like that to kind of, so the glitter can stick on. If not, you're gonna have problems. They're not gonna stay, or they will be really really good as an eyeshadow topper. But I love this palette. I have all the Juvia Space palette. I love them. I love the colors because they're always so bright and they're so good to work with, and they're pretty inexpensive too, so that's really good. And the other new product that I tested today was this from Natasha Denona. It's the highlighter is the Shimmer Duo. I love this, and I'll definitely keep using this. These are amazing. These are the Vesca bronzers. This is Diani and Maldives. This is a kind of my shade for bronzing, and then this I use for contour. I love this. I'm gonna go ahead and order a couple more to make sure, you know, I have backups. And that's it guys for this video. See you on my next one. Bye. I hate it when my camera does that. It just, from not paying attention, just goes dead, and I'm like talking to myself. I mean, I am talking to myself now, but you know what I mean. Like talking to myself and there's no, you know, record of it.